And today, what I'm going to be doing is teaching you guys how to use a Rivet machine. This machine is used to bead clothes. You can use it for your belt, you can use it for sandals, you can use it to decorate your sandals, your bags, your cap, anything. You can actually use it for that. And this thing comes, it has a bigger one that you just put the bit in there. Pressing it, the bit is coming out. So you get to press, and this is how you get to pin this and pin it like this. And there's all this other one that looks like this machine they use in doing buttonholes, cover button rather than cover button. So it comes in different, but I think I can still do like this because it's very simple and easy. So things we need a fabric that I'm going to be testing it on. There is this pin that they used for it. I don't know if you can see it very well. This is this pin. So this I got it for cost of 500 naira, and this pin and the bit used in this machine, they don't have holes like the other ones. They don't really have holes like those ones we used to tap. Because if you're gonna use this one to use it, like if you put it, they're gonna cut. So the bit comes in different sizes. There's the medium one, there's the bigger one, and so comes with this small. It comes with different sizes. It depends on the kind of bead you want to use it for. So let's get to business. So I'm gonna be pinning. Let me use a thin color so you can actually see it. So what I'm gonna be doing first is I'm gonna put in the pin in first. I'm gonna put in the pin in this hole. I'm gonna put in it in this hole. So just watch out for me. Don't mind my nails. In like that. And you're gonna put in the bead in this like this, and put this in between of where you want it to be. Press down, and this goes like this, and here it comes. You can actually remove it and put this back. And do you see that? It's pinned. See the back? You can see the pin, and you can see the bit. This is actually better than you tacking the bit. I'm gonna be doing two more so you get to see. Just put in the pin like this. Put the bit here. Put the bit here. This is the side where you want it to be. You can actually use this to write names on the clothes, do different stuff like that. You see, you can even make it more closer. See, so I can easily use it to write my name or write anything I want, stuff like that. I can easily use it for that. So let's get to the last one. So here, you use the bumper. It's going first, and this is going here. I'm putting it aside the space. Yeah, making it close, and you can actually make it scatter. So depends on your description. Yeah, and we're all done. Can you see that? So close, very neat, and not too tacky. So I can actually use this to do anything. Don't get your machine, it's not expensive. I got this for 9,000 naira. I don't know how much it is now in the market, because of corona crisis, the pandemic, and everything is just on the high side. So thank you for watching this class, and stay tuned to this channel. You can click, if you're not subscribed to this channel, click on your subscribe button, and like and give this post a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I love you. See you some other time. Bye.